Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be assembling a new thing to use on this channel, the Central Machinery 20-ton hydraulic press. Picked this up this morning because I cannot fix this wheel bearing. I cannot get it to pop out. So hammered, did everything. What a mess. So we're going to try the press. We got other plans for the press anyway, like some 3D printed dies, a whole thing planned for the year on this thing. So let's get in and get it assembled. This is not going to be a step-by-step assembly video. I will link one down in the description for you to watch. Okay guys, here is what we have done so far. Like I said, it won't be a step-by-step, but I'll at least walk you through it the way I'm figuring this out. Of course, I see where I already screwed up. Look, those bars are on the inside. First I messed up by not putting the washers on the right side of the nut. So yeah, that's why I don't do step-by-step. So I'm going to fix that. These go on the inside, and I'll be right back to the next step, which will be putting in this piece, the apron, I guess. Okay guys, please take note. This is the right way. This piece inside of the C-channel piece, and this piece inside of this piece, with the bracket supports on the inside. This is the wrong way, so we're going to redo that real quick. This is why I don't give step-by-step directions. Okay guys, after all those screw-ups, step one is done. This is the correct way that the book shows. And now we're going to go on. I guess that's step two, maybe. First step was identifying the hardware. Second step was doing the base. And now we're going to go on to the, I guess it would be the third step. Attach the base section supports to the frame. Okay, that was third step. Determine shop press to be located. Check sure frame posts are perpendicular to base supports. I think we're good there. I did eyeball that one pretty good. Now, one thing I do want to tell you guys, like I haven't tightened it up completely yet. Just enough to kind of hold it in place, and then I'm going to go through and tighten up everything right at the end. Okay, so next we're going to look at putting on the apron. It looks like we have to slide it down from the top and then put a couple of the pins under it. So let's get that done. Okay guys, here we are all in place. It wasn't that difficult. The most difficult part is the base. And if you could find a picture online to look at first, that would probably help if you're like me, because the drawings don't always come through clear to me, but we got it. All set up here. The plates I set in place. They have the nice rounded piece here that's going to be good for my first project. One of my first projects will be to straighten out my Pittsburgh crescent wrench. I bent that trying to get an auger out of the ground, like a fence post hole digger auger thing. But yeah, that's where we're at. It's in place. Really, the most work is down here at the bottom. If you look at that, that's how it's set up. C channel on the outside, sitting on top of that L bracket bottom, I'll call it, with the two side pieces on the inside of the C channel down to the L bracket bottom, the base, along with the middle piece. Now there are two bolts that go in that middle cross piece that are longer than the rest of all those bolts down there, so keep an eye on that. If you're not into intricate detail, like sometimes I'm not, you'll end up switching them around. These massive bolts at the top, I think they were 24mm sockets, what I used on these to tighten those up. These down here were 17. Then we got the pins here, and then we've got these bolts right here. And I had just adjusted this to try to make it somewhat level. Once I get my piece in there, I'm gonna move everything up and get it as close to the jack as possible. I also bought a tool set for this. I'll cover that in another video, but this is just the setup video quickly. I'm gonna do all kinds of 3D print mods for this. Like I said, we're gonna incorporate 3D printing and press into this. A lot of 3D printing, maybe to hold some of this stuff, like the bar there. I'll probably put some casters on it. I don't know if it came out in the video. I bought a bunch of casters that I don't really like those. I bought those at Harbor Freight, so I'm gonna look around at Home Depot and maybe find some other ones. But yeah, we are here and set up. So like, subscribe, all that good stuff. A lot to come with this press, guys. A lot to come. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. In the words of Luigi,
yay, I won!